Hi guys, welcome back to our course on NumPy. In our last lecture, we covered the transpose method under shape manipulation, and today we are gonna learn about the flat and the flatten method under shape manipulation. So let's get started. So our first question is, what is flattening? So flattening an array means converting a multidimensional array into 1D array. As earlier discussed, we can use the reshape method by passing -1 as a parameter to flatten an array, but we have other methods as well. So one of the methods is flat. This function returns a 1D iterator over the array, or in simpler words, it will return the element corresponding to the index in flattened array. And the other method is flatten method. This function returns an array collapsed into one dimension, or it returns a 1D array. Now let's see some examples. So let me just open my terminal. So let me write Python 3, hit enter. Now I'm gonna import NumPy as np and hit enter. So I have to create an array first. So let the array name be A. So A is equal to np.array. And I'm gonna create a 2D array. Because a 1D array is already flattened and the elements of a 2D array are 1D arrays. So I'm gonna pass two 1D arrays as the elements of this 2D array. So I've passed elements and hit enter. Now I'm gonna print the original array. So you can see the array has been displayed. Now let me use the flat method first. So now let's use the flat method. So print after using the flat method or the flat function, so we are going to print a dot flat and we are gonna pass an index. So this function will return us the value at index 5 in the flattened array. Now you can see the value at index 5 in the flattened array is 6. So the value at the index 5 of the flattened array is 6 and it has been displayed. So the flat function returns 1D iterator over the array. Now let's print the original array and the flattened array to verify our answer. So I'm gonna write print array. Sorry, I made a mistake. The array name is A. So I have to write print A. Now let me print the flattened array using reshape method first. So print A dot reshape. I'm gonna pass -1 to it. So the flattened array has been displayed and you can see that the value at the 5th index in the flattened array is 6. Now let's discuss one more way of flattening the array, that is the flatten method. So now let's look at an entire method of flattening array or a method of flattening the entire array. There's a little error. So this is a method of flattening the entire array. So I have to write print. So let me print the original array first. So print original array. Let me just write print and pass the array name to print the original array. So the original array has been displayed. Now we have to flatten it using the flatten method. So I'm going to write print and I have to use the method or the function flatten. So I'm going to write flattened array. And now I'm going to write a command as a continuation of this. So a dot flatten. So flattened array has been displayed. So this flattened array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 in one dimension. So we have got our flattened array using flatten method. So in today's lecture, we covered flattening, flatten method and flat method under shape manipulation. That will be all for today. This video is brought to you by Programming Knowledge. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for updates. And please stay tuned with us for more lectures on this series.